Okay, good morning 10th class. Today we will discuss some NCERT question answers. Now your first question is write equations from the reactions of iron. Okay, this one is just see, it's a write equations for the reactions of first one is iron with the steam, okay, calcium with water, potassium with water. Okay, now थोड़ा सा रिकॉल करो ओके एंड जस्ट सी योर मेमोरी व्हाट हैपन्स व्हेन मेटल रिएक्ट विद स्टीम बिकॉज आयरन इज अ मेटल तो फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाट हैपन व्हेन दिस वन रिएक्ट विद स्टीम ओके तो दैट वन इज आयरन whenever metal react with the steam this one is formula is H2O okay and but in which form that one is in steam form okay when it react with steam then it forms magnetic oxide of iron it's a Fe3O4 plus H2 okay just see this reaction is not balanced you have to balance also okay now this one is 4 this is hydrogen gases evolved and this is iron 2 3 oxide you can write okay this one now you have second one okay now 10th class just see this one is first one second is calcium with water so you know that calcium that one is Ca it reacts with water it's an active metal so obviously it reacts with water okay and it forms what that one is calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen gases evolved and how to identify simple it's a pop if you bring burning matchstick near the mouth of test tube it will give pop sound okay so this one is calcium hydroxide okay now your third one is just see it's a potassium with water same you know that potassium is also active one okay this one is not balanced it's a 2 well now third one is it's a potassium K again react with water so same condition because this one is metal this one is metal when react with water it gives metallic hydroxide plus hydrogen gases evolved now here okay that reaction is not balanced it's a 2 2 and 2 this is potassium hydroxide in short that one is potassium hydroxide so this type of question will come ki what happen when this because reactions you know but question will come like this now another question we have that is one is which gas is produced and this one is again important question for your exam point of view which gas is produced when dilute hydrochloric acid it's a HCl is added to a reactive metal ओके कोई सा भी रिएक्टिव मेटल है अगर हम उसमें क्या करेंगे उसको ऐड करेंगे देन व्हाट हैपन ओके राइट द केमिकल रिएक्शन व्हेन आयरन रिएक्ट विद डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड ओके नाउ and this one just see two parts are given in one part you have to write only name of the gas कोई फालतू चीज़ नहीं लिखनी है whatever is the question you have to give answer accordingly okay now just see in this which gas is evolved when dilute acid is react with this one okay so I react with reactive metal now you know whenever acid react dilute acid react with metal which gases evolved hydrogen gases evolved so simple your answer is this one is hydrogen gas is produced nothing else कोई फालतू चीज़ लिखने की नीड नहीं है whatever is the question you have to give answer accordingly now second part is write the chemical reaction when iron react with dilute sulfuric acid iron it's Fe sulfuric acid it's a H2SO4 this one is diluted then in this case I think you know that iron is more reactive than hydrogen so this one it formed that is FeSO4 and hydrogen gases evolved simple displacement reaction okay so this one is your sulfuric acid okay and this is diluted so in short you can write that okay so this one is second question now we have another question and this one is also important now in this first part is write the electron dot structures for sodium oxygen and magnesium okay second is show the formation of Na2O and MgO by the transfer of electron and what are the ions present in these compounds okay now just see Okay, 10th class. Now just see, first one is you have to write electron dot structure of sodium, oxygen and magnesium. Now in this one, first of all, electron dot structure लिखते कैसे हैं? Whatever is the valence electron present in an atom, okay, that one is represented either by dot or cross, and that structure is known as Lewis dot structure, because Lewis ने इसको symbols को दिया था. Lewis symbols कहते हैं. Okay, now just see, in this one, first of all, that one is sodium, that is Na. Okay, and you know that is in case of sodium, okay, atomic number is 11 and electronic configuration it's a 281. All of you know how to write electronic configuration. So this one is 281. It means outermost shell, how many electron? 1. Okay, so this electron dot structure like this, it's a Na and 1 dot. You can write कहीं पे भी dot लगा सकते हो, but ऊपर थोड़ा अच्छा सा लग रहा है तो like this. Okay, now in this only, second one we have oxygen. The oxygen is 8. It's a 2 6. It means outermost shell, how many electrons? Just see, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Then another one we have, it's a magnesium, atomic number 12. It's a 282. Okay, and magnesium, it's a Mg. This one is 2 electron. यहाँ भी लगा सकते हो, यहाँ भी. This one is simple electron dot structure. तो for writing electron dot structure, your work is you have to write electronic configuration. Outermost shell में जितने भी electron है, that one is represented either by dot or either by cross. Okay, now second is, just see, in this one you have to show formation of Na2 and MgO. So simple, that is formation of Na2O. Okay, now in this one, formation you have to show. Now in this 2 sodium, 1, another. In outermost shell, how many electrons? 1 1. Now in case of, it reacts with oxygen, and you know in case of oxygen, how many electrons are there? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 electrons are required. कितने चाहिए? 2 चाहिए to complete its octet, but sodium have tendency to lose only 1. But here how many electrons are there? Okay, 2. 1 sodium, this side, electron transfer from this side, 1 electron transfer from this sodium, and this one become, just see, Na positive, and this one become, it's a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This one is 2 negative, or simply you can write what, that one is Na positive, O2 negative, and you can write like this. Okay, or you can write जो best वाला है, that one is Na2O directly. Okay, but this one is required whenever question is there. Now the next one is, that one is regarding to formation of MgO. Okay, now just see, formation of MgO. Mg 2 electron in the outermost shell, oxygen 6 electron, 2 required, okay, to complete its octet. So this one is transfer of electron from magnesium, it become Mg2 positive, and this one is 2 negative, or 2 to 2 cancel, so you can write it's a MgO. Okay, now just see, in this one you have to write ions present in it. Your third portion, that third answer is, that one is you have to write ions present in it. Now in this Na2O, how many ions? That one is Na positive ion, and oxide ion, that one is O2 negative. Na positive and 2 negative, O2 negative, so this one is oxide ion, and this one is sodium ion. Now another one is MgO. So in this case, just see, it's a Mg2 positive, and another one is, again, it's a oxide ion. Okay, so these are the questions. This type of question you have to practice. Okay, thank you.